Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Stacker. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The whole goal of this puzzle is to take all these ball bearings and put them onto the other side, and then take them back and forth. You can do it infinitely. These ball bearings are all different sizes, and we have all different sizes of columns. This ball bearing can only fit down here, well, in all of these, but it's the only ball bearing that will fit down here. And this ball bearing here can only fit into these upper spaces. So this makes for an interesting puzzle. So to begin, we will move this ball bearing here, move this ball bearing here. We will move these two here, and we'll move the big ball bearing back. Move these two over here, and we will move the ball bearing there. So we have all three of those into their final positions, but what about these two guys? So we have to take them to the center to start with. We will move this over here, and here's the tricky move. We can fit the two small ball bearings over here in just the large space, as long as these two are seated all the way down. So now we will grab the big ball bearing, put it in the center, and we're going to take our two small ball bearings back to the beginning, but they're reversed. Now we want to put these over here with these, so that they're now reversed, so that they will fit nicely into our center. And that will get those off the way. So now we can put these over here. So with our two small ball bearings in place, we now move the big one over. We move these two over here, move the big one to center, and then drop off these two. Then we are finished. We have moved all the ball bearings from this side to this side. I'll go through the reverse, but it's just the same thing, just the other way. Actually, I won't put that in here. No, I wanted to put the big ball bearing here, put these two over here, big one in the center, and then these two will come over here, and we've solved the puzzle again. Same sequence, just going the other way. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.